the oldest educational institution in the English-speaking world, and hence it's a huge privilege for us to study in a place like this.
One of the topics that I really enjoyed studying was the one on Brexit. I think that's a very relevant topic because that's exactly what's going on in our world right now, and it really changed the dynamics of the European Union.
So the topic that particularly I was interested in was human rights, and the insight that I got from this lecture, I mean the professor who taught us about human rights was fascinating, and it was not the idea I had about human rights. It has changed a lot now.
Course which I particularly like, I think it could be a peacekeeping operation. In a world full of strife and distraught, I think we need to learn a lesson or two about peacekeeping.
Study a course as niche as international relations and global governance. It's been a wonderful experience so far. I had a lot of expectations before I came here, and I can gladly say that they've all been fulfilled.
The course is basically about international organizations and international bodies.
After spending 3 weeks in Oxford, it has helped me gain a broader insight to whole of the working of the United Nations in general and the role of international organizations that it has played ever since its formation.
So as much as people think that international relations is a very specific course, but even in that I feel like there are a lot of different areas of interest and areas that students would like to explore, and I feel like my summer school experience at Oxford has given me an opportunity to explore these individual areas.
That's a holistic view of all the different dimensions of international affairs, so it's been very helpful to get an insight into the different aspects of it.
I think it will now help me in the future to decide what I opt to do my masters on, and I think it will help me further in my course in Jindal as well.
See, I want to do my masters from Oxford, and probably I'll do it in strategic warfare, and this course has helped me in a lot of ways in that sense.
I really enjoyed the discussion on cybersecurity by Professor Lucas Kello, and I think I'm interested in this area.
The lectures were amazing. They were so well versed in their particular field of interest. We think these are small topics, but they come up with such great ideas, such overwhelming ideas. I think that's fascinating.
Excellent professors, some very well-structured courses, topics that I was very interested in, that I've learned a lot of new things about, and it's been a great experience so far.
Yeah, I think it was just like a brilliant experience just being able to attend even a 2-hour lecture with them. And the professor is very interactive and very encouraging of any doubts, questions that we may have. They were extremely supportive of any of our queries, or just helping us understand the subject in general. I've been exposed to like a completely different setting from what I've been used to, and so it's been a great learning experience and like a cultural experience as well.
Joining Jindal was because of the kind of summer schools that they provide.
JSIA has given us a very well-designed and very well-structured program by collaborating with Oxford, and I would definitely recommend other students to take up an opportunity of this sort.